Good afternoon or good morning or wherever you are. It's taken a bit of a turn actually because I had a call from a customer, potential customer. Would I be willing to respray the frame in golf racing colours? The powder blue colour that you see with the orange, you know. So I thought, yeah, why not? Let's do this. So I've got a very close match, which is Ford Olympic blue, because you can't get Triumph colours anymore. And yeah, the frame has been painted, as you can see here, and it really contrasts well with the orange mags. Also got some parts delivered, so they've got some orange tyres, new inner tubes, orange brake blocks this time, so it doesn't blacken up the rims. And yeah, so I'm just waiting on a couple of bits and bobs. So let's get the build-up video montage going. Right, the weather's turned cold now, so the frame is now indoors, but I've got all the bearings and all the shells ready to be fitted. Got the orange brake cable kit there. We've got the KMC chain, other bits and pieces. Got the handlebars and seat there. We've got the wheels now fitted up with the tyres, looking awesome. With the dice valve caps, so they're all ready to fit, and we've got the crank over there and brake pads, and I've found some nicer aluminium pedals, so everything's ready to be fitted. I'm going to wait for the frame to warm up and cure, put the decals on, and I can press on the bearing shells and continue with the build. So stay tuned, this is the next part of the film. Okay then, so it's Saturday afternoon, got some chores out the way, and I'm just about to build up this lovely blue frame. I've pressed in the cups, pre-greased them, they're all ready to receive cranks and things, a little bit of grease on there ready. These are all pre-greased, ready to be worked in, and yeah, the steerer tube pre-greased, just got to smear that round, a little bit on the brakes. So this bike hasn't been ridden, the tyres are unsoiled, the grips are unsoiled, so it's already fresh and ready to ride. So let's get it ready for delivery and catch you on the next one. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers.